Please subscribe.
Hello friends! In this video, I will try to talk about how to use OBS Studio. What is it good for? You can combine your camera footage, video, picture, screenshot, etc. on OBS Studio and edit or mix these images. You can record or broadcast the final version of your scenes prepared with OBS using the OBS Virtual Camera system or broadcasting tool. You can add new scenes by pressing the plus sign at the bottom left of your program. In the middle section, you can add sources such as the camera and screenshot you want to use. Let's start by adding the webcam first. Select the webcam you want to use from the field that opens and press OK. If you are using green screen, we need to clear the green area to change your background scene. We select our camera and click on the Filters field. We can use the Filters section for all the resources we will add. In this part, we can destroy the green screen, give effects and use different features such as color settings. We choose Chroma key from this section to destroy the green area. Now let's add a video as a background. We add a media source. After selecting a local video file, activate the loop option for the video to run continuously. Also, uncheck the box just below it. Since we will use the video for the background, not for broadcasting, it must be constantly active. For the video to appear below the camera view, you need to move it down. If you wish, you can add effects to your own camera image or any source. Let's add Lut effect to the video and our background. With our source selected, press the Filters button. Activate the Lut option by pressing the plus button below. From here you can select any Lut file. Let's add a picture behind us. After activating the image option, let's choose an image file. You can change the size of any resource you add. You can crop the source with your mouse by pressing the Alt key. Move the image source to the bottom of the video so that your camera image is visible. To avoid accidentally moving a different resource while moving our resources on the screen, you can lock the ones you're not using. You can turn off the sources you want to turn off during broadcast or recording by pressing the sign. You can show multiple sources at once by adjusting their size. Now let's add a second scene and put a different background. the selected scene will be broadcast automatically. If you do not want the output broadcast to change automatically when you select your scene, you can activate the Studio Mode section. Now you have to double-click to activate your scenes. The other method is to activate it by pressing the transition button next to the selected scene. Where can you use this video output? By pressing the Start Streaming button, you can send live broadcasts directly to social sites such as YouTube and Twitch. If you haven't made your settings yet, you need to do them first. You can also open the settings from the File menu. Or you can use your output video like a webcam using OBS Virtual Camera. To do this, press the Start Virtual Camera button. Now you can use any webcam recording program by selecting OBS Virtual Camera. I am recording by opening the Movable Editor webcam recording program. Or I can operate the screen recorder camera as you can see at the bottom right now. You can turn off the blackness in your output video by making a few adjustments. You can use export and import options to use or store these stage works in a different OBS Studio. You can also change your scene collection or create a new one from this section. Finally, some useful plugins can be installed in OBS Studio. For example, you can import the videos of all users in a chat program, such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams, into the program one by one using the NDI plugin. You can check out my video about NDI. Or you can use the Spout Filter plugin to use your own virtual studio in an engine like Unreal Engine. You can check out my videos about it. In the future, I will add Virtual Studio videos about Unreal Engine 5. Thank you for watching my video. Please let me make more videos. I would be glad if you subscribe for it. Thanks.